This is Mike Dickinson with MarineMax in Clearwater. Today I'm going to do a quick walkthrough of the Boston Whaler 17 Dauntless. As you can see, this boat is equipped with a galvanized trailer and has tan hull side with red graphics. This boat is equipped with the Mercury 90 horsepower four-stroke. As you can see, it's got jumper seats both port and starboard. Inside the boat, you can see this boat is equipped with the helm seat live well. The boat's also equipped with stereo, and normally we leave the electronics off so that you can install whichever brand you prefer. Speakers. This boat has the trolling motor panel already installed and is equipped with the 54 quart igloo and a little bit of console storage. If you have any other questions about this boat or any other boat in our inventory, please give me a call, 931-217-4419, or call the store at 727-536-2628.